The universe is full of surprises. You never know what to expect. Here are 50 mind-blowing space facts you won't believe. 1. There's a planet made of diamonds. 55 Cancri is so dense in carbon that it could be covered in diamond. 2. Neutron stars spin 600 times per second. These remnants of massive stars rotate at mind-boggling speeds. 3. There's an entire ocean under Europa's surface. Jupiter's moon has more water than all of Earth's oceans combined. 4. A day on Venus is longer than a year. Venus takes 243 Earth days to rotate once but orbits the Sun in 225 days. 5. Black holes can spaghettify you. Their gravity stretches objects into thin strands, a process called spaghettification. 6. A cloud of alcohol exists in space. Sagittarius B2 contains enough alcohol to brew 400 trillion pints of beer. 7. Jupiter's moon Io has over 400 volcanoes. It's the most volcanically active body in the solar system. 8. 1 teaspoon of a neutron star weighs 6 billion tons. Its density is unfathomable. 9. There's a giant hexagon on Saturn's north pole. This mysterious storm has been raging for decades. 10. The largest volcano in the solar system is on Mars. Olympus Mons is 3 times taller than Mount Everest. 11. Time runs slower in strong gravity. Near a black hole, time dilation makes minutes stretch into centuries. 12. The moon is drifting away from Earth, at about 3.8 centimeters per year, making lunar eclipses rarer in the future. 13. Mars had liquid water in the past. Evidence suggests rivers and lakes once covered the red planet. 14. You could live on Pluto for 248 Earth years. That's how long it takes to orbit the Sun once. 15. There's a great attractor pulling our galaxy. Scientists aren't sure what it is, but it's pulling us at 14 million miles per hour. 16. Some black holes may be wormholes. Theoretical physics suggests they could be shortcuts through spacetime. 17. Most stars you see are already dead. Their light takes thousands to millions of years to reach us. 18. There's a planet where it rains molten glass sideways. HD 189733b has winds up to 5,400 miles per hour. 19. A rogue planet wanders space without a star. Scientists have found several, with no sun to orbit. 20. If you fell into a black hole, you'd see the universe's future. Time distorts so much that you'd witness the end of the cosmos. 21. There's a super-Earth with 10 times Earth's gravity. Standing up there would be nearly impossible. 22. Saturn's rings are younger than the dinosaurs. They may have formed just 100 million years ago. 23. Venus is hotter than Mercury. Despite being farther from the Sun, its thick atmosphere traps more heat. 24. A gas cloud in space is 100 times the size of the Milky Way. It's one of the largest structures in the universe. 25. One exoplanet has 3 suns. HD 131399a flat experiences triple sunrises and sunsets. 26. The largest known star could fit 1,700 suns inside it. Scuti is one of the biggest stars ever discovered. 27. The Sun will one day swallow Earth. In about 5 billion years, it will expand into a red giant. 28. There's a mysterious force making the universe expand faster. Dark energy is still a huge cosmic puzzle. 29. A pulsar once flashed in perfect Morse code. Scientists thought it might be aliens, but it was just a neutron star. 30. The Milky Way and Andromeda are on a collision course. In 4.5 billion years, they'll merge into one megagalaxy. 31. The Sun's light takes 8 minutes to reach Earth. If the Sun vanished, we wouldn't know for 8 minutes. 32. Jupiter could have been a star. If it had more mass, it could have ignited nuclear fusion. 33. The fastest winds in the universe reach 22 million miles per hour. They were spotted on a white dwarf star. 34. Pluto has blue skies, just like Earth, but made of different gases. 35. You could fit all the planets between Earth and the Moon. The distance is vast enough for every planet to line up. 36. Astronauts grow taller in space. Without gravity compressing their spines, they stretch up to 2 inches. 37. There's a planet covered in burning ice. Gliese 436b has ice that stays solid due to extreme pressure. 38. You can't hear anything in space, sound needs air, and space is a vacuum. 39. The coldest place in the universe is a nebula. The Boomerang Nebula is 457 degrees Fahrenheit, colder than empty space. 40. There's a star with a heartbeat. A pulsating star called V838 Monocerotis expands and contracts rhythmically. 41. There's a planet with rings 200 times wider than Saturn's. J1407b's rings would dominate our sky. 42. The Sun loses 4 million tons of mass per second, through solar wind and radiation. 43. There's a supermassive black hole at the Milky Way's center. Sagittarius A is millions of times the Sun's mass. 44. Space is only 62 miles away. The Kármán line marks where Earth's atmosphere ends. 45. Some exoplanets are made of solid metal, like 55 Cancri, which could be a giant iron planet. 46. Galaxies can have trillions of stars. The biggest ones make the Milky Way look tiny. 47. There's an asteroid with rings. Chariklo is the first known asteroid with a ring system. 48. The Hubble telescope has seen 13.4 billion years into the past, almost to the beginning of time. 49. Some planets are completely dark. Trace 2b absorbs 99% of light, making it the darkest planet ever found. 50. The universe has no center. Every point in space is expanding away from every other point. Want more mind-blowing facts? Stick around, space is full of surprises.